Hello friends, a common scenario that every gardener faces when you take a look at your carefully tended plants. Seemingly overnight, they have been overrun with nasties such as whiteflies, caterpillars, slugs, termites, snails. But before you run out to the shop in panic to buy some chemical pesticides, which we should not, try some old fashioned natural pest control methods that your grandparents were familiar with. So, in this video, I am going to discuss with you a magical ingredient that can be very effective in controlling the pests. So, keep watching. And this magical ingredient is garlic. Yes, garlic, which is easily available everywhere. And it is very effective against slugs, aphids, termites, snails, ants, caterpillars, and even whiteflies too. Garlic contains allicin, which causes strong smell in garlic. Not only people, but insects also don't like the smell. The strong aroma of allicin makes the pest reluctant to approach. It also has a negative effect on their coordination system. Allicin blocks the formation of enzymes so that bacterial metabolism stagnates and bacterial growth are inhibited until they die. Garlic can be used in various combinations to make a good pesticide. So let's start with garlic extract. This is the first method of making pesticide from garlic. Take 4 to 5 medium sized garlic bulbs. Remove their skin as you can see in the video. And turn the garlic into a puree using a crusher, or you may use a grinder. Now put all these content in half liter of water and let the mixture soak for at least 6 hours, and it will be better if we let it soak for one night. And when we intend to use this mixture, add some dish soap, preferably a natural one. 1 tablespoon will be fine to this mixture. Mix it well and then use a soft cloth to filter. We may filter it once again so that our spray don't get clogged. Now store this mixture in a glass bottle. Although it is best to use it immediately after preparation. Now before using, we dilute the mixture. We take 100 ml of this mixture or 1 cup of it and mix it with 1 liter of water and spray it over the infected parts of our plant. And we must try to do this in early morning or in the evening. And if one ingredient is effective enough to control pests, imagine if more than one are mixed together. Yes, ginger, chili and garlic. Chili contains essential oils. They are piperine and piperidine, which disrupt the preference for eating pests. It robs hydrogen atom from the tissues of the living thing, which led to death of the pest. Whereas ginger has a chemical gingerone ketone. It has spicy taste, which causes insects' body to feel hot and have fever and ultimately die. So combination of all these three are good for aphids, nematodes, tomato caterpillars, fruit flies, thrips and whiteflies, etc. So to make the pesticide, take 1 chili, 1 clove of garlic and small piece of ginger. Grind them into a fine paste As you can see, grind them finely. Here it is done. Now squeeze the liquid out of this paste. Use a soft cotton cloth to do this. You can see drops of the extract falling in this water, and keep this solution for one night. Before using it, add 1 to 2 drops of liquid soap, and before using this pesticide, mix it with equal amount of water and spray all over your infected plants. Another combination of garlic can be with grinded pepper and olive oil. Here we prepare a blend of garlic, grinded pepper and olive oil. We mix them all in small proportion. And now squeeze out the contents out of it, the liquid content, and we must dilute it with water in the ratio of 1:10 before using. So after diluting it, we can use it over all our plants, and it is very good to keep away aphids and mites. Another way to use garlic is to intercrop with it. Plant garlic among other crops. This is beneficial if you like garlic, as I do. So plant them near roses to repel aphids, around tomatoes to prevent red spider, mites, but avoid them planting near legumes, peas and potatoes. So the best way is to try, make, use and observe and modify the ingredients as per your requirements and results. So thank you for watching. Good luck and happy farming.